Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I am showing you the tutorial of the flower strip. I made it for the bag. You can see it is very beautiful and joined. I made it without breaking the yarn. Let me show you how I made it. I made 6 chains. I join it with the third one, single crochet. Now I make in this holder 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I will join it with slip stitch. I will make 2 chain. Now I will make 5 double crochet in the next chain. We did not complete double crochet. Two, 3, 4, 5. Now we join it with slip stitch. Make 2 chain. Join with single crochet. Now we move towards the second petal. Make 2 chain. Now we make 5 double crochet in the same chain. 3, 4, 5. Now join with slip stitch. Make 2 chain. Join with single crochet. Now again we make 2 chain. Five double crochet in the next chain. 3, 4, 5. Join with slip stitch. Make 2 chain. Join at the base of the flower with single stitch. Now move towards the fourth petal. make 2 chain, 5 double crochet, it was the fourth petal, so we have to attach it with this petal. We join it with with slip stitch, make 2 chain and back to the flower base. Again 2 chain, 5 double crochet, so 5. Now we join it with slip stitch. Now we have to attach it with this petal, so we have to do a slip stitch here. Move towards the base of the flower. We made 2 chain and did a single crochet. The flower base is complete. Now make 3 petals here. So for this process we have to make 2 chain. This is not the petal part, just we have to move inside the base, so we made this chain. I do a single crochet. Now we start the base of the petals. Make 2 chain, join it with the base with single crochet. This is the first petal. Now move towards the second, make 2 chain and join it with the base with single crochet. Now we will make third petal's base, make 2 chain and join it where we started. You can see here is a round for the 3 petals. Now I make 2 chain and 5 double crochet. 2, 4, 5. Now join it with slip stitch, 2 chain, move back to the base of the petal. Here we do a single stitch. Moving towards the second petal, so we have to first a single stitch in the next petal base and do a double chain, 5 double crochet, join it with slip stitch. We'll make 2 chain and back to the petal base. You can join it with slip stitch or single stitch, so it does not matter. Now move towards the third petal. First we will do single stitch and we'll make 2 chain, 5 double crochet, join with slip stitch and we'll make 2 chain, move towards the base of the petal. Here we can do slip stitch or single stitch. I'm doing slip stitch. We are done with the flower, but we have to move for the next flower, so I am doing here the slip stitch. Now we will place the yarn here between 2 petals and struggle with it. Yarn, pull up slip stitch. Next we do another slip stitch. Yarn is in the back side. Now easy to follow the steps. Now I'll make the chain, 2 chain, and we'll attach with this petal. Here I will do slip stitch. Now this flower is complete. It's a very beautiful. The back flower move towards the back side and the upper petals move toward the inside. This is the only process. I repeated again and again for the completion of the strip. Hopefully you like the tutorial. If you like, please subscribe my channel for more tutorial and designs. Please share with your friends. You can place this strip on bags, headband, and also you can make the earrings from this flower, and you can add this strip or flower pattern at many places. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.